Welcome to Auto Drive Hub, your trusted place for the latest car reviews, updates and automotive news. Today we are going to talk about the 2025 Mehran Suzuki, which has been one of the most anticipated budget-friendly cars in the market. Known for its popularity in South Asian markets, the Suzuki Mehran has always been considered a simple, practical and affordable choice for everyday users, and in 2025 it comes with a refreshed look and some important updates that make it stand out in the entry-level segment. The new Mehran Suzuki 2025 has a more modern exterior design with sharper lines and a compact yet stylish body that continues to maintain its identity as a small city car. The front fascia is equipped with updated headlights, a refined grille and improved bumper design, which gives it a fresher and more appealing look while still being easy to maintain and budget-oriented. The car is available in multiple colors, providing buyers with more options than ever before. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Mehran Suzuki now offers better quality materials, improved seating comfort and upgraded infotainment features. The dashboard design is more user-friendly with digital meter options and higher trims and a compact audio system that ensures basic entertainment for city commutes. The seating arrangement has been adjusted to provide slightly more legroom, making it more convenient for small families or individuals who are looking for affordable daily transport. Under the hood, the 2025 Mehran Suzuki continues to be powered by a small yet reliable engine focused on fuel efficiency. The engine capacity is around 800 cubic centimeters, delivering excellent mileage, which is one of the main reasons behind its popularity. With improved fuel economy figures compared to previous models, the Mehran 2025 remains one of the best choices for people who want low running costs and easy maintenance. The car also comes with manual transmission, ensuring simple operation and low repair expenses. In terms of safety, the new Mehran Suzuki includes basic features such as seatbelt, strengthened body frame and better braking response, which were areas of concern in earlier generations. Although it may not compete with luxury cars in safety technologies, it still delivers reliable performance for everyday short commutes. Overall, the 2025 Mehran Suzuki is designed for people who want affordability, durability and practicality in one compact package. It carries forward its legacy while offering enough updates to meet modern driving needs, making it a strong competitor in the budget segment. If you want to stay updated with the latest car reviews and automotive news, make sure to subscribe to Auto Drive Hub and join us for more exciting content.